Hey guys, so today is going to be a short tutorial about Midjourney Style Tuner. So what is the Style Tuner? So imagine you want to create an image in Midjourney and you really like the result, but then you want to create another image with the same aesthetic. So for example, here I have created images of this kitten with some kind of realistic photography style. And then if I want to create a series of images of kitten with the same style, probably what I would try to do is copy my prompt and change maybe the first part. This works, but there is a better way if you want to create a consistent aesthetic, which is the style tuner. So here how it works. So first of all, you need to create a style. So for that, you're gonna do /tune and describe, as you would do with /imagine, describe your image, the image you want. So let's say here I'm gonna work for a company that clean a carpet cleaner company. So I would do a simple prompt, a carpet cleaner at work. So it's gonna be a simple prompt, and here Midjourney is gonna ask me how many style direction do I want to see. So how it was going to be is Midjourney is going to create a lot of images with different directions for the style. So maybe it's going to make some more drawing style, maybe more realistic styles, etc. So it's going to make a lot of variation, and then I will have to pick which variation I like the most. So here you can choose 16, 32, 64, 100, etc. The more variation, of course, the more choice you have, and the more accuracy it will give Midjourney for them to create a consistent style. So here for this video, I'm just gonna go with 16 to make it a bit faster. Then you can click submit, and yes, confirm. And here it's gonna take a few minutes, usually like 2 minutes, like they say. Just one thing in the meantime. So why would you like a consistent style in your images? For example, I gave you the example of a company, a carpet cleaner company. Imagine you want to create a website for a client, and this client has to have images on his website. So instead of taking stock photos, I would like to take Midjourney's photos. But the problem is, if you have inconsistent images on your website, it's going to look messy. It's going to look very amateur. So instead, you want to create a set of images that look all the same. So this is why Style Tuner can be very useful. Alright, so now it looks like my Style Tuner are ready. So here you can click on the link, and here you will see the images generated by Midjourney. So it's gonna be, you're gonna have 16 rows or 32 or how many you picked, and here you will have to select which one you prefer. Do you prefer the style on the right or on the left or right? If you don't have a preference, if you don't like this style, don't pick anything. So just leave it like this, like leave it in the middle. So here, for example, I think maybe I would like to have more realistic photography. So here, this looks pretty nice. Here I don't want drawing, so I would like to go more with this one. Here I really don't like this one, so more this one. Here, both of them are not really what I'm looking for, so I'm gonna leave it here in the middle. And by the way, you can always go back in the middle if you want. Same here, I don't really like any of them, so I'm gonna leave it blank. Same here, same here. Alright. Actually, maybe just for the example of this video, we're gonna pick a style that is more visible. So let's go for the drawing. So I'm gonna pick all the styles that are more drawing-like. So I like this drawing, this one maybe a little bit. I like this one. This one for the colors, probably. This one as well. So it's gonna give me more, colorful kind of images at the end. Those I don't really like, and maybe this one, and no, is this one? Yeah, all right. Then, once you have made your choice, and again, I only created 16 images, but the more images you create, the more precise you're going to be on your choices, and the more it will give Midjourney more understanding of what style you want to create. Then, once this is done, you can copy that code and then copy and then go back into Midjourney. And here, I'm gonna do the same prompt as before. So what was it? I think a carpet cleaner at work. But now I want to keep the style I selected. So I'm gonna do _style and then paste the code. So it should create an image that will have the feature of the style of the images I selected. So as you can see, it gives me indeed images very bright, very colorful, more like drawing. So yeah, so of course here it's still a bit random, but it's way more. If I want to create a set of images, they're all gonna look like this. All right. Alright, so that's it. One more thing, if you feel like Midjourney is not going into the right direction with your images, you can always, so I'm gonna copy that prompt, you can always give it a prompt, and if you feel that Midjourney is not, the result is not looking like the style you want, you can always use the parameter stylize, and give it a higher value. So just a reminder, stylize goes from 0 to 900. So if you give it a value of 0, it's gonna be more. It's gonna do its own thing. And if you give it a higher value, like 900, it should stick really to the style you gave it. So let's see what's happening here. All right, and yeah, it looks like, yeah. So as you can see, it looks like more, probably more what I've selected. Again, I only selected 16 images, so to have better results, select more images. All right, so if I wanted to create a website for a carpet cleaning company and I wanted to have this very funny look, this is what I would do. So just create a set of images with this style, with the token, and you can also share the token, share it with your collaborators or whatever, and with your whole team, and so everyone in your team can create images for your client. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and please subscribe and like the video if you like this content to see more in the future. And in this meantime, I wish you a very good day and see you in the next one.